So let's say I can wear I can wear a pair of pants that's completely clean, but I wore them today for Shabbos, or I can wear one with a hole in it. Which one's better?
With a hole, because as we said before, the sharpness, meaning wool and linen, possibly there is combination of wool and linen together. It's a biblical prohibition. So when it's biblical prohibition involved, we go stringently. We don't take chances.
I'm saying that there's absolutely no sharpness. I'm saying these are sharpness checked. I'm saying I wore them today, they're clean. I'm saying the problem is just that I wore them today. So is it going to be more covered Shabbos to have clean ones, right? But I wore them today, or ones with a hole in them? You see?
No. Where the clean ones? Where will check the sharpness? Absolutely. So I mean, sometimes you have no other pants. So okay, I give you this example. So sometimes there is a function, right? That there is somebody's bar mitzvah, right? And many people, they have only one suit, right? Or like only one suit, that they will wear his Shabbos suit to this bar mitzvah, to his circumcision. So I mean, there is so basically what I'm trying to say. Sometimes you would wear your Shabbos clothing on a weekday.
Does it still count as a Shabbos suit if you wear it on Yom Tov or no?
Yes. I mean, technically, Al Chazal says that a person, if possible, if he can afford, he should have even better suit or like garments on Yom Tov than on Shabbos to have separate. But if not, so one suit is good.
But I thought that Shabbos is of higher sanctity, no?
In some sense, yes. Because yes, but here in a sense of the clothing. So because clothing makes person happy, on the holidays it says a person should be happy. On Shabbos it does not say that he should be happy. In a sense, so when you dressed up, so I mean normal people when wearing nice clothing, they have a better mood, I would say.